Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications and swipe down once more to get a more broader view of the toggles that we have access to. Now one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. For me it is located right over here. This is the default location of the toggles, at least I think it is. So your toggle should be in about roughly the same place. Once you see it, you can tap on it. This will bring up a really small window for settings, so we can record audio. I have a drop-down menu for that, so we have microphone, device, or both, and obviously if it's toggled off, we're recording nothing. I'll just select device audio. And we also have the show touches on screen, which once enabled will show a semi-transparent gray dot on the recording to simulate where your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to select start, which will start a countdown, and then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded. If you open some kind of apps, they will be recorded as well. Just to kind of showcase this, I'm going to open up YouTube maybe. I have no internet. Anyway, once you're done, you can pull down your notifications and select top to stop. This will stop the recording and save it to our Photos application. Now, going back to what I said that you can record applications, there is a little bit of a limit to it. So there are certain apps that have access to system or like blocking what system can do. So for instance, bank applications will block screen recorders and screenshots. Same goes for Netflix. Netflix will just block screen recorder. It won't turn it off, but it will just give it a just straight up black screen. That's the content that it will be recording. It has no way of blocking the sound, so you will get the sound from Netflix, but you won't get the image. So it kind of defeats the purpose. So for anybody who is thinking about recording videos with a screen or shows with a screen recorder from any kind of streaming platform, just know that they have ways to basically block you from doing so for some reason, because why would you have control over your own device? Anyway, just to kind of showcase this screen recording that I have captured, I'm going to quickly try to find my Photos application. There we go, Photos. Now to navigate to the screen recording, we'll need to go into the library, and here you can see we have a movies album, and in here we have our screen recording. You can also see this semi-transparent gray dot right here that I mentioned before. So there we go, that's the screen recording. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.